Hey guys, I've been making a ton of progress on the project here. I've been meaning to pull this the camper out on a nice day and actually do a review and show you guys what's going on. I kind of see all the stuff I have going on right here. A lot of stuff. It's really going great. Yeah, so I definitely plan on giving you guys an update, but I'm out here working like usual. I usually have a few hours a day to come out here and tinker, and today I'm like, damn, it is cold out here. What is going on? So I just went inside to check the temperature, and it is 4 degrees. I can see in the video, you can kind of see the steam coming out of my mouth. It's insanely cold. Hopefully you can hear me because I have the propane heater over there sitting on the first T-Rex, and I'm trying to do some electrical wiring, and my fingers are ready to fall off. It's just so fucking cold. So I'm gonna be out here for a bit, tinkering. Hopefully one of these days I can get an update video. I've got a lot of the electrical done. You can see my light switches up. Right now the lights inside are totally powered off of the battery that is right over there, and things are going great. But every day it seems like when we do actually have like a nice day, I'm doing something with my family and we go out and have a good time, so I just don't have time to make a video. But yeah, I'm still out here, still working on it, and it is freaking cold. All right, until next time.